with Gamer Bro and Monkey Boy.
CJ, get up.
Yeah, it's really funny.
Just don't say any code words, man.
We're
don't
not.
cuss. You can't be dirty.
Nobody of us. Okay. Since our new friend Monkey Boy it says CJ, it doesn't matter. I'm joining us today. We actually joined his world. So what are we going to do today again?
Gamer Bro, please sub.
I thought that was gonna work.
Yeah, that was actually fun.
Let's try this again.
Please subscribe to all players.
Maybe it'll work again.
Gamer Bro plays 3 is 3 subscribe 3.
We had new bands. I know that. What's going on?
Okay.
Oh my god.
The Epic Gamer, please subscribe.
What's going on with your radio, man?
I don't really know, dude. So let's just go. Come on.
Your radio is going crazy. Let me go get all my stuff.
Me too. I'll place it in the chest.
I know. Then someone's gonna find that chest and get some good stuff, and you don't want that to happen.
Well, they'll actually pick it up, yeah.
They disappear like in 10 minutes. 5, I don't know.
How would it disappear?
Oh yeah. Anyways, we're gonna hang out with CJ, but his nickname is Monkey Boy. What we're really going to do is do a SpongeBob mod. But now, yeah. You know, you got the mod now. There's the SpongeBob mod where you can spawn.
It's glitchy right now, but
no, it's not.
We'll do it.
And yeah, we didn't use it yet, so I hope it's going to be great.
Yeah. And we actually downloaded a gun mod, but I hadn't tried.
That is exactly like a bow, but you just pull it back, and it's just shaped like a sniper.
I didn't use the mod. I used the add-on. In a little bit, but we're just talking right now. So.
And one day he might make YouTube videos. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think he's going.
Well, I want to get a heads up.
Every time I say subscribe, the Epic Gamer says that he has 2 views. I was like, what the heck? I'm talking about the 2 subscribers.
I actually got like 12 subscribers, I think. And whoever subscribes, let me give you a heads up to Dead Soul, the Gamer Pro that's actually with me right now.
I'm gonna give him that.
And Monkey Boy. Actually, he doesn't make videos, but one day he might be.
I did.
Yeah, he's actually on.
I guess. Well, everyone, are we gonna do the SpongeBob mod now? Yeah. You might not come, but we will try. So let's just quit the game and do the SpongeBob mod.
Well, okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's do it.
Okay, let's see the quick. Mine's loading. Yep, I was the first one to get done. Okay.
I might be the second one. No, I'm actually the third one. Yeah.
Okay, okay. The Epic Gamer! Not that, look! The Epic.
Well, I'm off that.
SpongeBob! We're doing it, hang on.
Okay, now.
You have to get on the world, because he's on the go. I don't do mods and stuff like that, I might though. Braxton, this is so cool.
Okay, we're about to do the mod.
Yeah, this is so cool, you're friends with me.
Okay.
You just got to put an add-on or it ain't gonna work. I'm going to
in the comments, let me know if this is glitchy or not.
Wait, no. In the comments, let me know if you like to watch SpongeBob or not.
Yeah, in the comments, just let me know too.
And tell us who to your favorite character?
Yeah, my favorite character is SpongeBob.
Mine's Patrick.
He's funny.
Yes. Stupid too. Okay, just add on. My favorite SpongeBob
And we
Patrick.
get SpongeBob.
Yep, the SpongeBob pack. He's just gonna add that on real quick.
And we 3, 2, 1, play.
And he's playing. Okay, we're just gonna wait until the friends turn to the one, and we'll be able to play. We're gonna press. Tell me when to press. Okay. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. And if you do, go in the comment section. And now for 4 days, I'm going to.
What the heck? The epic.
Do the first hot one.
Yeah, why is there 2 epic?
Do the top one.
Oh, see, I know why. Now that you're friends with us because we just met you.
Okay. Now he should. Yeah, he's gonna join now since we got him as well and we became friends with him now. We're gonna just do this. I wonder what it's gonna be like. I'm gonna spawn 4 and you're gonna spawn 4 and Monkey Boy's gonna spawn 4 of them. If there's 8, wait, 9, 10, 11. If there's 12.
Please give me 18 likes. I mean 18 subscribers.
Let's see if we
like
can go to 100 likes.
Yeah, please.
And when 100 or 100 million subscribers, that would be so beautiful.
I want some like Stampy Cat or something. And please.
Me and him's gonna do a reaction video to a funny video, and then yeah.
I'm here.
Okay, we're here. God, dog it! I always fun in a freaking nether.
We're not a big.
Here's something funny that me and the Epic Gamer laughed at. Okay, so it's a nether portal, but it's much bigger. I knew how to do this. I got it from a book, Hacks for Minecrafters. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Man, is
8,
this SpongeBob?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13.
Oh no. Oh no, what happened?
14, 15. 1, 2,
It was actually the bottom
3,
one.
4,
I don't know how
5,
much.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
He's doing a big
12,
portal, y'all.
13, 14,
This is
15,
super secret. 15.
What?
You accidentally did the top one. It's supposed to be the bottom
4,
one.
5,
Braxton.
6,
No, that's him, the bottom one.
8, 9, 10,
No, that's him, the bottom
11,
one.
12,
Oh,
13, 14,
get you, Braxton.
15. Okay, I guess it's
CJ likes the game, right?
Because you told me to. No, you said the bottom one.
Hey, oh god. Guys, look at this. This is so freaking funny.
Yeah, it really is. I'm looking.
If you lie to me, I'm going to delete the game.
Really, I have no clue where he's. Oh, he just got. Oh, freak. He accidentally exited off. Oh my god, what's going on here? I
Oh,
might not make it. Better hurry up and get back up. Oh no!
What the?
it's glitchy right now.
No, I'm not friends with you anymore. See, look, watch.
Y'all,
this.
it's
Look,
it's
watch what happens if I press
it's
it.
so glitchy right now, y'all.
You are
It's-
friends with Phil, he's just not on the world yet.
Oh,
See?
no.
Yeah.
And maybe
This
it's
video-
SpongeBob.
This video is going to be like so.
I just want to let y'all know, y'all YouTube people or anybody that makes like plushies or something, YouTube people or someone that invented YouTube, make this skin when I become famous. If you're gonna like make a toy plushie of me and make the Epic Gamer skin like his for his YouTube channel plushie. I can't wait until we like get our own plushie and well, you know, all those other YouTubers that did famous stuff, like Dan TDM, Stanky Cat, Sky. Never watched him, just heard of him. Sunny. Yeah, I'm not really gonna tell you all the characters. The SpongeBob one didn't work. Well, anyways, let's see if that can work again. So,
Yep. So we're gonna press play.
I don't know how long we can make this video. Probably not longer than 16
Not
minutes.
not longer than 15.
Okay. We can't go past 15, so he better hurry up.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
You
don't have to count down.
Look at that.
CJ, remember it's gonna be the bottom.
Look at that beautiful water.
And look, and no, it ain't anymore.
Look at the beautiful water and the big hills and the
CJ, it's not that one. That was the one with the sand.
Okay, it's been
No,
11
that
minutes.
was the bottom
Hurry
one.
up.
Uh-oh.
And now I
Okay, now I'll go to your resource packs.
Easily just...
What's going on?
Oh, no.
Get up, we can create this game. Behavior pack. Okay, he does monster stuff. I might do one. It's gonna be me and him doing a dropper.
I'll be friends with somebody else.
Okay, now he's adding it on.
Already.
What did it say?
Minecraft Pocket responded.
Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all a quick look at my bag if y'all are gonna make it. Pause the video if you're making it now.
Yeah, look at me.
Okay. Now I'm gonna change it to my front. Yeah.
Then when we're gonna get.
If you're gonna make my eyes and put the glasses on, I'm wearing Steve eyes. I didn't change my eyes, but it's gonna be covered up by glasses. Okay, side. Pause the video. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, there. Okay, did it work? Oh, guys, it still didn't work.
There's something going wrong, like the SpongeBob pack is really glitchy right
Yeah,
now.
it's not working right now. So
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna have to end the video.
Yep.
I guess. Well, please subscribe.
Dang!
Please subscribe to my channel
And
and
my
the
channel.
Epic Gamers channel. It's gonna be really awesome when I see my very own plushie.
Now
come
I'm
out.
deleting it.
Um,
I'm deleting
let's
it.
get
I
100
would-
million subscribers. I can't wait to get the
I'm
play
deleting
button.
it. I'm not friends
Well,
with
anyway,
you anymore.
Guys, I
And
hope you
it
enjoyed
won't
this
let me
video.
go underworld
I'll
now.
see you in
I'm
the
friends
next
with you,
video.
Dad. I'm
Bye.
I said I was